up, Kipto here. We're doing another character drawings episode today. I'm super pumped about this. They've been long overdue. I've been handling some stuff and now I'm ready to get back into it. So let's dive in. You guys sent in your character requests with your drop-down menus and I am just super stoked to dive into this again. I love where your guys' heads are. You got some really cool, strong imaginations here and I'm ready to bring them to life. So let's do it. We're gonna be doing about a dozen for this episode. Took a quick peek and I'm pretty pumped, so let's dive in. All right, I'm ready to get started. But first, before we hit the drawing board, we gotta hit up our sponsor, which is Raid Shadow Legends. Raid is a turn-by-turn fantasy character badass beatdown. That's a strong move right there. One of my favorite parts about this game is all the crazy awesome characters they have. They have like 16 different factions, which are different groups of characters. And I always come back to this for inspiration when I'm drawing my own characters. You got the Banner Lords, which are like these sick looking knights. Look at this shield. Oh my god, that's sick. Get this hot chick right here, and then boom, this guy's ready to party on St. Patrick's Day. Okay, I lied. This guy's definitely ready to party. The Sacred Order, I have two of these here. And my man here, the Crusader, this like Scottish looking badass with this sick broadsword. Look at all that serrated. He can make so much garlic bread with that thing. Just the style and the customization of each character has really got me really impressed. And also the graphics are just really well done. You have all these different combinations of attacks and power-ups and specials, so it's kind of like this back and forth battle between who's got the best strategy to defeat the other guy. Boom! Here we go. Coming at, oh man, they just did a counter. Oh my god, wrestling move right there. Friggin' people's elbow over here. No, not my lizard man. Uh-oh. Oh man, new guy always dies first. It is totally free to download and play. Check it out, link is in the description. And if you are a new player, you will get 100,000 silver, 1 energy refill, 50 gems, and 1 free champion, this guy, the Executioner. So you'll be slinging axes and swords in no time with this Executioner right here. You will find your extra rewards right here in your inbox for the next 30 days only. So don't wait, sign up now, have fun, and I'll see you in the raid. All right, I'm filled up with all this badass inspiration. I'm ready to draw these characters. Let's do it. Numero uno, we got Byron. He's trying to get a Kraken as a painter with Kipto's choice as a prop with the color turquoise. I did a lot of Krakens last time, so I'm definitely warmed up for Krakens this time. Let me see if I can shake things up a little bit more and make this Kraken even more badass than the last time. Alright, next up, Mr. Kyle W. He's trying to get a man as an astronaut with a spray can and blue. He wants a bearded astronaut with a spray can. Okay, I like that. I'm guessing this guy probably has a pretty badass beard. All right, next up we got Sep K. He's trying to get a bear assassin with a robot limb and blue. Woo! It's the bear assassin with the robot limb and color blue. Oh yeah. Okay, coming in hot, we got Asa S. She's trying to get a Kraken gladiator with a crown in red. Here we go, another Kraken, a very popular choice, this time very different, and a red. Haven't gotten red in a while. That is my favorite color, so let's dive into this. All right, next up we got an owl as a photography and a painter with a camera and a spray can with turquoise. All right, into it, super into it. This one's gonna be a hoot. If you're really digging this and you're up for more in-depth tutorials and process videos and real-time walkthroughs, including this specific owl piece, make sure to check out my Patreon. Link is in the description. We got a cool community getting built over there. Real-time videos, Q&As, critique videos. And you get to see this one built from very beginning to the very end. Seeing all the brushes I use and all the different techniques I use to build out this piece in Procreate digitally. Check it out. Okay, here we go. Arthur W. He's trying to get a bear samurai with a robot limb in orange. Ooh, the second bear with a robot limb. Let's see what he's got here. It would be great if you could make a bear as a futuristic meditating samurai monk. He wants a cyberpunk style with like 80-20 bear robot. I like the specificity of this with the dominant colors of orange and blue. Okay, very specific. I'm into this, dude. You got a vision and I'm gonna bring it to life. Let's do it. Next up, we got Todd G. He's trying to get a tiger hunter with a bow and arrow and red. Okay, next up we got Brian H. He would like a buffalo shaman similar to your Minotaur dudes, maybe casting a spell. He doesn't have a color preference, but he chose turquoise here with some sage to go with it. Some kind of beefy badass buffalo guy casting some sort of spell. On to the traditionals. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm ready. Okay, next up we got Will L. And he has a very specific, very interesting request with a story behind it. He wants like a blue fox inspired by his childhood scouting experiences. He actually based his whole business around this blue fox idea based on like experiences with his dad and scouting as a kid. And he said, could you create a heroic fox scout with a compass discovering the path? He's going to display it in his office at work. I can tell you guys a little bit about what he told me about this piece as well. So Will told me in his email that it's a reference to the Boy Scouts of America Fox Patrol patch. It holds a lot of sentimental meaning for him. His dad, who passed away unexpectedly in 2013, was the scout leader, and together they shared some really amazing adventures in scouts. He says many times in their Fox Patrol they got into a lot of sticky situations, as teenage boys tend to do, but each time they somehow managed to work their way out the other side. And then from then on, as they grew older, they kind of used that saying as like, it's time to Fox Patrol our way out of this, even in day-to-day life, symbolizing it's time to be tough, creative, and soldier on. So when his father passed away and he started his new company, he thought it'd be appropriate to name it Blue Fox to be reminded of him and what he stands for every day. Thanks, Will, for sharing your story, and I really hope you enjoy this custom one-of-a-kind piece. This is Leo P from the United Kingdom shipping it to his dad for his birthday present in France. And he asked for an ape chef playing the drums with like pots and pans and stuff. I guess maybe his dad is a chef and he also likes to play the drums. So that's a really cool kind of tie-in. I remember I used to do that as a kid, playing on the drums, on the pots and pans on the floor. So that's going to be really fun. Cool little ape guy playing some music with some pots and pans. Okay, this is the last drawing for this episode. Are you ready? We got Big Pimpin' Jesse B up in the house here. He says he wants a lion gladiator with a skull and red. Bad ass. You could put 2 Jesse B from Kipto would mean the world. Dude, you already know I got you, bro. All right, we did it. Back on track, baby. Got a new house, got a new game plan, new paintings. Trying my best to make it work over here. If you want one of these badass custom illustrations for yourself, head over to my website, kipto.com. You can pick out all these different traits for your fantasy character and watch it come to life and have it delivered right to your door. This one was especially fun for me because I'm a huge lion nerd and just a big nerd in general, so this obviously takes the cake for me, and I really love doing this one. Ooh, I just realized he wanted me to do a custom to and from. Let me do that real quick. Boom, there we go. 2 Jesse B from Kipto. Hope you like this, man. Let me send it your way very soon. If you guys want to see the real-time full process from ideation to completion, from sketch to markers to paint, and with a bunch of little ideas along the way and commentary about how I made the piece or just how I feel about life in general, make sure to hit my Patreon where there'll be exclusive real-time videos of my artwork up on there. We're building a little community over there of dedicated creators, a more intimate fan base for you guys to interact with me personally. And I'm doing monthly Q&As where you guys can ask any question you want and I'll be answering them every month with a special video just for you guys, along with a bunch of other behind the scenes and critiques and all that sorts of cool stuff. So head over to Patreon and make sure to sign up for that. Also, I got these crazy t-shirts coming at you. I got this one. I got this bad boy Momentum here wrapping all the way around. I got this wild guy, the Rift here coming at you. I got the more subtle action with the hands, with the pattern here. Very cool, painted all over the world, all these different hands. And of course, we got the classic back in black here. Boom. Merch, baby. Pick some up. You may have noticed I've been gone for like a little over a month or so, and things have been tough for me lately on a personal level, but I'm trying to get back on track here. I recently moved again I moved out to Joshua Tree in the desert, about 2 hours from LA. I rented my own place here. It's a 2-bedroom house. I got a garage studio that I'm building out right now, and out here is kind of like my illustration computer station. So I'm really excited to start this little new chapter of my life, get going, build some more momentum, and keep pushing with the ideas and the things that I actually really want to do. And with all the heavy stuff going on in the world today, it's tough to stay focused and stay motivated. Even for me, it's been tough with everything going on, but you just have to remember to be kind to yourself. I'm reminding that of myself too. Be kind to yourself. Try and do the best that you can. We're all in this together, and try not to lose sight of your purpose and why you are here. And just continue to spread love to the people you care about and the people who are strangers to you. And it's up to us, the new generation coming up, to build a better life and sustain a better culture for all. So that's all I got for this week. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for sticking around. I know it's been a little while, but I got some more stuff coming at you. Stuff from even last year, from 2019, I haven't released yet. And I'm just going to keep the ball rolling. I got tons more character drawing episodes to go. If you want to get your own, make sure to hit up Kipto.com. I'll be seeing you. Keep creating, keep feeding that kinetic imagination. Thanks for watching.